This is a CNC router table. We built it through the Mechanical Engineering Technology Department, and it'll be donated to the Calumet High School when we're finished for their pre-engineering courses. What it does is it takes a 3D model that you create a toolpath. That toolpath will then create a code that we enter into this program. The code will transfer it into a design, which the design is then correlated to the motors, and that will move each in 3 directions to cut the design. This is the typical design of what you could do. And Kelvin can go ahead and start it. You can see the movement. What it is basically a CNC mill. For the high school will be using it for wood projects. There's the safety features. So the back and the front are removable. There are limit switches for each direction and emergency stops on the table and the computer, just in case something does go wrong. The router is not on right now simply due to the noise level that it creates. It is a separate unit from the computer, so it's adjustable speed on the router. So that's, and then